What's up everybody? So today I'm going to show you how to draw Bardock, Goku's dad. So Goku and Raditz' dad. So it's pretty much Goku, except he's got like a headband and he's kind of angry looking, I guess. So we're going to start right in the middle. I'm on a white page, just wanted to fit in more of his shoulders and things like that. So we're going to start right in the middle with that Dragonball sort of W sort of line. So, like say, I should be bang in the middle point. So you could do a line straight down. And it's kind of like a W then. Like so. So then his eyebrows, just in here, start like so. And then we're going to bring it up and over and across. Like this. Kind of like a tick. And then the end of it is real big, so it's like this, and then it gets smaller as we go in. Like so, and of course they're black. Right, so is his eye then, so coming down, we're just going to do a small eye here, a long line there, sorry, diagonal, and then we're going to join them with a curved line coming across like so, just into there. And then we have his iris, so it's real small, curving line just there, and dark black inside. The other eye is pretty much the same thing, so start his eyebrow coming up this tick line, coming up this way. Like so. And then we've got that wide end of his eyebrow, just here. He's got some fringe coming over his eyebrow, but it's all black anyway, so. Just like so, and then dark black inside. Right, so then his eye coming down, long line back here, shorter line here, and then join them together with a kind of a curved line, just to there. And then a small narrow iris just here, dark black inside as well. Like so. Right, so line for his nose, so it's that Dragon Ball just like L, so it comes down right the middle and then comes back that way. And then we've got that shadow on this side. Comes down here, down to there. It might come back up this way a little bit as well. Like so. So his mouth real close to his nose there. So we're gonna go across this way, down, back around to there. This. And then lines for his bottom lip, just there. and then his chin, just down here. So we bring his chin up to his jaw. So, just across from his mouth there. And then this side comes up as well. Just there. And then we go up the side of his head, change direction. Like so. And then he's got a scar on his face, just here. So it's like a star, spike up, spike across, spike down, back up. And this like has 2 spikes on it, just here. He has those Dragonball sort of tick marks just here. Cheek lines. Couple of them. And then this one comes across as well. Like so. And he could have some like scratch marks on his face from battle. Like so. You can do as much of this as you want, of course. You can make it as detailed as you want. Totally up to you. Right, so his fringe, his hair. So we have a spike here. Comes back up like so. It's kind of like Goku's fringe. Comes up this way. Spikes back down. This one comes right over his eyebrow. And it'll go back all the way to here. So it comes from here and it's like over his eye over here. And then the next spike is going to come down this way into here. And then we go back like so. And up into there. Small spike here, comes back into there, and then another one just at the side of his head, comes up just over his ear. Then he's got a headband on, so that comes across his forehead, underneath the hair. Of course, if you were using pencil, which I recommend, you could just draw that line and then rub out if it's going over your hair. And then he's got some like faux lines on that. Just there. Like so. And then some frown lines coming down here. And he's got like one strand of hair coming down this way. There, and then his ears. So we'll go in like so. One there, another one coming in here, and then bones and ligaments inside. The easiest way, as I always say, is just a letter J. Just like this. Easiest way to do it. But if you wanted to add more detail, you just add extra little lines. Like so. If you look in a mirror, you could see your own ear and figure it out. Like this. And we'll do some more over here. Right, so we've got a spike coming out just at his neck here. Hair spike. And his neckline will come down like so. His line for his other side of his neck is just here. And then we'll finish his hair. So this spike comes back in. And then it spikes out like so. Back into there. For the big one now, I'm going to spike up to here. And this comes up. Down to there. For a big one now up to there. That's the biggest one, this one. And then it's going to come down like so. Smaller one beside it. To there. Then we have that round portion that Goku has. So it just comes down like so. And then we spike out. We spike back in. We go out a bit further. There. Bring it back down towards his ear. And then a small one out. And then back into his neck. Boom. Okay, so neck muscles and trapezius muscles and stuff like that. So let's see. So we have a trapezius muscle here. And we have a trapezius muscle like here. This one's longer because he's got a strap of his uniform on this side. So I'll do that. So we see this strap here. Like so. So then his chest muscle comes across here, a bump, another one. This comes in, up and over, like so. And then we've neck muscle lines in here. One there, one there. Art.Simple maybe. The outside muscle lines, diagonal lines down like this. And some muscle lines here on his trapezius. And one more in there. Then his shoulders. So, what we do his shoulders? Yeah, we'll do his... No, maybe we'll do his torso first. So, his chest muscle is going to come out and around like so. Back into here. And across. Just like his chest muscle, and then the side of his body comes down there. And the other side is armor, so it just comes down like so. Down there. So this armor is kind of like broken inside here, so we're going to bring it across to there. Comes down. Across like so, and then when you get to about here, it's where it goes diagonally broken down this way. So all these broken zigzag sort of lines coming down this way. Like so. And then we can add his nipple just in there. And some chest muscle lines going this way. And you, again, you can add like battle scratch marks if you wanted. Okay, so we'll finish his armor. So it's that Saiyan, typical Saiyan armor. So it's got a white rim going all the way around with these blue sections inside, kind of like a turtle shell or something. So one box here comes up and over that way. Next one. Here. Down. Down to there. He's got some lines on it, like here. It's like his chest lines just there. And then this outside white rim is there. Keep adding those types of things down like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue sections. And then there's like all these cracks in it, so it's like coming apart. So one there, coming across, down, like so. Two lines there, 2 lines here. And then some more sort of cracked lines there. Line down that way, and that way. Maybe like a crack coming down this way. And one of those, a line coming across his stomach section just there. Right, so his shoulders, big wide shoulders, that's why I'm using a wide page, just that way. And then this comes down to his tricep, down here. And then we can see some more muscle shoulder lines. So line there, another one coming around like so, another one here. And there's all like scratch marks and stuff all over him. And then a line just for where his tricep meets his bicep. And adding some battle marks and stuff. Then his other shoulder, same thing. A curvy line. And then this comes down to his tricep. Down. Double line down the bottom there. And more muscle lines. Just there. Another one coming up this way. Another one going in here. And like some scratch marks. And a line for where his bicep meets his tricep. Just here with some scratch marks and stuff. And there's some lines on his shoulder pads just here. 3 of them. 2, 3. And that is how to draw Bardock. If you wanted, you could add like blood or something coming out of his mouth. If you wanted, but not essential. Just kind of gives it a bit more of an effect like that. Yeah, so there you go. How to draw Bardock. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.